Let us discuss the temperature evolution since 1900 in some more detail. So the most obvious feature is the long-term increase in global temperature, and this increase is due to the increase of atmospheric greenhouse gases, especially CO2, but also other gases like methane or laughing gas. Now these gases produce an initial warming. And this warming is amplified by the fact that a warmer atmosphere can hold more water vapor. And water vapor is a very efficient greenhouse gas. And this feedback, this amplifying feedback, doubles basically the impact of carbon dioxide on the temperature. And this is why global warming is such a serious problem. But mankind also affects the climate in other ways, for example by releasing aerosols into the air. Coal combustion produces small dirt particles that accumulate in the atmosphere and have a net cooling effect. However, mankind also changes land surfaces, for instance by converting rainforests into arable land. This also changes the optical properties of these land surfaces and hence the radiation balance and hence also the climate. So mankind affects the climate in various ways. Then we see lots of shorter highs and lows on the temperature curve, which are due to natural climate fluctuations. There will always be these highs and lows which superimpose on the long-term warming trend. You can further subdivide them into internal and external fluctuations. Internal fluctuations don't need external drivers. They are due to the chaotic nature of the climate system. Then there are the external natural fluctuations caused, for example, by changes in solar radiation or by explosive volcanic eruptions. The latter produce vast amounts of sulfur dioxide, which then transforms into aerosols, and these aerosols have a net cooling effect on the Earth's surface temperature. You are all certainly familiar with the fantastic paintings of Caspar David Friedrich with these colorful, ruddy sunsets. They indicate that a lot of volcanic dust was probably released into the atmosphere at that time. This then resulted in the ruddy sky. On the whole, we understand the temperature evolution since 1900 quite well, and we know who the main culprit for global warming is. We no longer have a knowledge problem, but rather an implementation problem. You could say, Houston, we have a problem.